I bought my Arrma Granite BLX 4x4 3S in the winter here in New York, and I wanted to be able to use it in the snow and mud and ice over our long winter months. I found these Traxxas Max 2.8-inch tires and all-star chrome wheels, and they have been the only tires I use all year round since. They have a great tread and grip in mud, snow, and run great on blacktop. These wheels fit on a 12mm hex, so I had to find an adapter that would allow these wheels to work on my Arrma 14mm M6 axle. I was lucky to locate the Techno RC 1654X 12mm aluminum hex adapters, which worked perfectly to allow me to install these 12mm hex wheels and tires on my Arrma Granite. I use them all the time now, all types of weather, and they are my favorite wheels and tires to use all seasons. They were a great upgrade for my RC truck. See description below for information.